In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the outgoing display name from your email address in Zoho Mail. Whether you're rebranding, formalizing your email interactions, or simply personalizing your communication, updating your display name can make a world of difference in how your emails are perceived. Let's get started with this quick and easy process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Mail website and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, if you haven't already. This will make finding the settings much more seamless. Now, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a range of options available to you. We're interested in the option labeled Send Mail As. Click on this option and it will direct you to a new page where you can manage how your outgoing emails appear to the recipient. Now, focus your attention on the section labeled Display Name, Outgoing Emails. This is where the current display name you use will be visible. Changing this display name is the crux of our task, as it determines how your name appears to those receiving your emails. To update your display name, click into the text box containing your current name. Delete the existing name and type in the new display name you'd like to use. Consider what name best represents you or your brand, as this is your identity to the outside world in your email communications. Make sure it's clear, professional, and as accurate as possible. Once you've finalized your new display name, we have one last step. Direct your gaze to the Update button, which you'll find near the name field. Click on it to save your changes. This will ensure that all your future outgoing emails reflect your newly chosen display name. And there you have it, a straightforward process to change your outgoing display name in Zoho Mail. Just a few clicks and some thoughtful consideration, and you're ready to connect more effectively through email. If you followed along, your new display name is now active. It's always a good idea to send a test email to confirm the change has taken effect as expected. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might also benefit. Happy emailing with your new display name.